just catch you having fun.
Hey guys, it's Lizzie Dior. If you want to see how I got those locks, keep on watching. So what you see me doing here is sectioning the hair, adding some shining jam, and then I'm going ahead and braiding it on down. Okay guys, this is my auntie, so y'all gotta excuse our facial expressions. We just chopping it up. And I was looking real busted. I'm always looking busted when I come up on here. It's just because, like, when I wake up to do her, like, that's what I wake up to do. I wake up, brush my teeth, get in the shower, eat, and then I'm in grind mode. Like, everything else don't even matter. After I finish braiding, I'm going to go ahead and swoop her baby hairs with my Ebon Edge Control. I use the purple top, but I really don't see a difference. We use the Freetress Bono Lock, and we use the pack of water wave hair to conceal her natural hair around the extended lock. Now you just see me taking the water wave hair, wrapping it around. And sometimes, like, I like to use my thumb to poke a little bit of the hair out. Y'all will kind of see what I'm talking about. twist it up in my hand, and I make it kind of messy looking like that too. Okay, if you made it this far, then I want you to go ahead and smash that like button, comment a green heart, and if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe. Period with the T. Thanks for watching. Comment below and